Today we will show you how to construct resin-bound rock aggregate vertical surfaces using our environmentally friendly waterproof epoxy resins. Our two-component resin is safe to store and transport and can be mixed on site. After mixing the two components, mix with an appropriate amount of rock aggregates. The mixing can be done mechanically. Within the pot life time frame, the resin should not stick to the trowel or the machines. Make sure the base surface is level, dry, and clean. For this demo, we just picked a random site. Apply a layer of the resin from the leftover of the container with a brush or roller. Then start paving the mixture. Make sure the trowel is clean, dry, and free from rust. At the beginning, it's normal to see some aggregates fall off. Just pick the fallen pieces up with the trowel and continue paving. For the thickness of vertical surfaces, we typically recommend about 2 to 3 times the diameter of the rocks. Excess thickness might increase the difficulty of construction. After the majority is finished, fix any gap or hole and polish the boundaries to make them nicely round. An experienced contractor will do a better job than ours. After the paving is done, make sure the construction site remains dry for the rest of the day. GBS is an innovator and manufacturer of landscape resins. We are building a local presence in the UAE via synergy and prosperity. Contact us to learn more.